Hi everybody, it's Pam over at South Shore Travel. I had just a quick packing tip for you. You can tell I've got clothes all laid out in piles. I'm getting ready to pack. And so I thought I would mention to you packing cubes are wonderful. The way it basically starts, I've got all my shirts in one pile, and some of them were a little bit wrinkled, so you might want to just kind of go rip, rip with the iron so they aren't a big mess. Got pants over here, got other kind of outfits here. You lay them out, and then you just figure out the best way to fold. Maybe fold the sleeves in, you roll it up, you put them in the packing cube, which zips, and then you keep zipping, and it compresses it, and they get smaller and smaller. So you get a lot of things in those packing cubes. So all of this will be a cube, that'll be a cube, and that'll be a cube. And then I'll have some other, see I have other cubes that are kind of in weird shapes, like the long skinny ones. Very handy, and they keep you organized during travel. And when you get to your destination, your clothes may not be perfectly smooth. I always take wrinkle releaser, and you can basically, you take your clothes out, lay them back out, spray the stuff on them, smooth it out, and it takes a lot of wrinkles out so you don't really look like you've been sleeping in your clothes for a month. So I just thought I would offer that tip. See, everything came in here on hangers, laid them all flat. Like I said, ironed just a little bit for some of the emergency outfits. And they're about to be put in packing cubes, and then I will be packed. Always pack a few days early. You'll be glad you did. You'll thank me. Take care.